Inshallah, we can finish the Quran, we can read the Quran, we can make dua, we can tawbah, and we can forgive each other. Because if we not forgive each other and we keep the hatred in the heart, then we will not get the forgiveness of Allah. And if you don't get the forgiveness of Allah, then the Prophet was saying Amin to the dua of the Jibreel, the Prophet, Angel Jibreel, that the curse of Allah upon a person who was able to receive the Ramadan, but he was not able to get the forgiveness of Allah. So we can always forgive each other, clear our hearts for the people, not to keep any hatred and jealousy in our heart, because it will be only going to destroy ourselves only. We will be destroyed, our heart will burn, and we lose our good deeds, and on the day of judgment we will be going in the hellfire. So keeping hatred, jealousy, and hard feeling is going to destroy our dunya and akhirah, our this life and the next life. So always be open-hearted, always ready to forgive and forget. Not just forgive, but to forget whatever happened. Reset. The Prophet said, sweep your heart, clean your heart every morning and every evening from all the hatred. So sweeping your heart, broom or walis. So clean your heart always to remove the hatred and jealousy and hard feeling. So you can live good and you will have no loss of your good deeds. And on the day of judgment, you will not be accountable for those hatreds to going in the hellfire for those hatred. So hatred is destroying. Even the shaitan was a worshipper and he was a knowledgeable. And why he was destroyed, the devil? Because he hatred to Adam, the human, and he jealous to Adam, but why he gets superiority. And because of his jealousy and hatred, he was become a disbeliever. And the shaitan and those who follow shaitan and do this hatred and jealousy with others, they all going together with shaitan in the hellfire. How long we live here in this world? A very small time. We have only 70, 80, 60, 70, 80 years in this life, if you go full life. And then we live this life with hatred and jealousy and hard feeling, then we are going to lose this life and then also going to lose the next life. So all the time, cleanse your heart from the hatred from others and always forgive and always forget and go on with serving Allah, worshipping Allah, praying and remembrance of Allah. So you will not be destroying your good deeds and you will not end up going in the hellfire in the next life. And inshallah, Allah can enter to us in Jannatul Firdaus in paradise. Ameen.